In this video, I will show you how to generate multiple hoop passes using the hoop path panel in TaniqWind Pro. For this demonstration, I will create 4 hoop passes, each with 100% coverage in one go. These paths will be generated on the builder profile of a first helical layer from a pressure vessel. I will start by opening the hoop path panel. In this panel, I will demonstrate how to create 4 hoop paths with each 100% coverage by defining their beginning and end positions. In the panel, we can see a path section, winding settings section, and we can see the material data of the used material. In the path sections section, we can set Z coordinates in between which we want to create a hoop path. We will start the first hoop path at C-220 and lay it all the way to C220. Now we can create a new instance for a position by clicking on the plus symbol. We can see that the software mirrors the previous position around the center of the profile. With these 3 positions, we have defined the first 2 hoop paths, with the first one going forward and the second one going backward. By pressing the plus symbol again, we can create a third hoop. I will create this position such that it steps inward by 5 mm. Therefore, the layer will run to C215. By pressing the plus symbol again, we can create a path moving back to -215. If we would like to add revolutions at a position, we can add this in the dwell column. By setting the dwell to 180 degrees, we can create half a revolution at the first 2 positions. In the winding settings section, we can set the factor to determine the coverage of the paths. This can be done either by pitch, coverage percentage, or by thickness. For this demonstration, I want every path between the set positions to have a coverage of 100%. We can also set the winding angle at the first and last positions to be 90 degrees by selecting the tick boxes. All the positions in between the first and the last position have a 90-degree winding angle to ensure path connectivity. With all these settings set, we can press the Create Path button, after which the paths are generated. When the paths are correctly generated, they can be set to the layer by pressing the OK button. We can see that the paths are added to the layer. Here we can change the path individually or edit the created group of paths if we select the layer node. With the layer node selected, we can also check the predicted buildup. This is the end of the multi-hoop paths demonstration video, where I demonstrated how to easily generate multiple hoop passes in one go using TaniqWind Pro. If you're interested in other highlighted feature videos, these can be found at the TANIQ YouTube channel.